opinion out. Guys, Lucas here. I'm about to whip somebody's ass.
I want to die.
Ready? Go! Shut your f***ing mouth! Once again, Pixar is ruined by cars.
Ah, yeah.
Teo the Little Bus, Shrimpo, Chick Hicks, Putt Putt, Cartoon Network, Mad McQueen, Wheelie O Wheel, Simon, and Rip Slinger. You are not allowed to join the race.
Come on! No!
Come on!
No! I'll be your friend.
Friends.
You're great!
Hey, Gango. Should ram into him.
Should not ram them. Tommy's still on board.
I'm Fred Mustangberg, here with racing legend Daryl Cartrip and David Hopcamp. There's never been a competition like this before. First, all in all, making its debut tonight is the required fuel for all these great champions. Second, the course itself. It is like nothing we've ever seen before. David, how exactly does this competition work?